What pirates?
A woman with orange hair, dressed like a marine. She was trying to steal a map to the Grand Line.
My keys. Sound the alarm.
Do you think they know we're here?
No, I think they're after the other thief, an idiot pirate trying to steal a map.
What are the odds of that? Kidding.
This is art. You will hear a buzzer. When you hear the buzzer, stare at the art.